Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Ryan from Team Saiko, and today we're gonna be continuing our body build. So it's part 2, and we're gonna be installing a fused roll cage today. Shout out to our sponsor, Fuse. We got these from the competition. Gonna try and paint this today and install it. It's a version 4. I think I said it was a version 3 or something last time, but yeah, it's a version 4. But very simple setup, seamless. Instructions, everything is in here. I got some slaps. I already took out one so I could place it on the car. But I mean, other than that, I mean, it's a great product, 3D printed and whatnot. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, this is how the package comes. Fusedrc version 4. You got the one for your rear, you got your A pillars, B pillars. They even include a front bash bar. A pillars, B pillars. And then it comes with stickers. I already grabbed one, it's in the back of my car. And then simple directions. So yeah, let's get started. So what I like to do for painting these is get a cardboard box. And all you're gonna do is, with an X-Acto blade, you're just gonna make slits where these feet sit. And all you do is you shove them in like that, and it's ready to paint. And you do that with the rest of the A pillars and B pillars, and you're good to go. Okay, so we're gonna be using mirror chrome from Spaztics. You can also pick it up from your local hobby store. Pick mine up from, I think, Ohana RC. I'm not sure, here in Hawaii. But yeah, this is a while ago. I had this. I had it for a while. Used it on some small projects, but I still got a lot of it. So figure with the metallic paint that's on top of the car right now, the chrome should pop. I'm not gonna do too many coats, just maybe like 2 or 3 light coats of this, and hopefully it comes out good. Alright, so pretty much you're going to be ready for installation. So there's a couple things you can use. Shoe glue, hot glue, or double-sided sticky tape. I use a variety of these two. So we're going to try and assemble this as easy and simple as possible. Alright. Pop off our body. Car's a little bit dirty from testing it last night, making sure I was having no clearance issues or anything like that. I don't have a rag. Let's use that for now. Okay, and then all we're gonna do now is just take measurements, see how everything's gonna line up. So we got our A pillars. By the way, don't worry about these tabs. You can bend them and manipulate them a little bit, so it's not too bad. So those are gonna go right there. Then we got our B pillars. Not sure how I want them to go. gonna bend, so that's gonna be more down, you know. rear. Okay. So as you can see, this one where my magnets are set up right now, it's gonna cause for some clearance issues. So we're gonna have to figure out a way around that. But as of right now, I mean, the layout is pretty simple and fairly simple. So, yeah. Okay, because of the magnets, I had to modify it a little bit. I ended up clipping the ends. There's some around over here. But as you can see, so I'm just gonna hot glue inside here, keep it posted. But that's how the rear came out. You kind of want it more down. It's gonna be more towards the middle, but because of how my body mount is set up, yeah, it's just gonna have to sit up there. But regardless, it still looks good. So yeah, let's finish it up. Let's hot glue it and maybe have a little photo shoot or something. So that's gonna conclude our video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave Fusedrc's website and Instagram down in the description below. Check them out. They got a lot of cool scale RC stuff for you guys builds. If you're trying to get real tedious or real cool with it, yeah, go check them out. By the way, greatly appreciate it. If you guys like the video, please like, subscribe. Leave us a comment down below what else you want to see. Leave us feedback, you know. It just helps us grow as a channel, and we're only here just to help you guys out, you know, also for you guys to help us out. Also be on the lookout for a video coming out soon, not sure when, but it should be soon, on ACRC LED systems. We're gonna do a video on an install on that. It's another one of our sponsors, so we're gonna get that one out to you guys too. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy you guys holidays, and check you guys out later. Shoots.